Oh, yeah, guys. Well, I haven't been out for a while. I've been busy. Oh, well, I don't know what we're going over there for. I've been trying to sell my house. Well, it's been put on the market. We're looking to move. So, yeah, I've been a bit busy. I haven't done too much flying, and when I haven't had time to make a video. So, here we are, back again. What's happening today? Well, I'm meeting up with a lad, Dan Lambert. Don't know what his YouTube handle is. We'll find that out later. I'll drop it in my link below if he's got one. And yeah, we're going local to me for a little lunchtime rip, and we're going to go to an old kind of juvenile prison. So it's all been abandoned and that in about 2014. It's got a lovely looking car park from Google Maps, with some trees and some other bits and bobs. And we don't know if we can get into the old prison, whether it's abandoned or whether it's all locked up. It's got a big high wall around it. But we'll have a look, see how it goes. What's been happening? Well, oh, you can see me quad wall. Oh, there it is, look. But yeah, what's been happening? So, since I last seen you, I've actually changed how I hold the sticks. So now I've adopted the hybrid pinch technique. Now, I started off with thumbs back in the day, a year ago. Thought I would always be on thumbs. I tried hybrid pinch, I tried pinch, and it felt horrendous. My flying looked horrendous. But now, I was down in rugby the other night with work. I thought, yeah, we'll go and have a few packs. I'll give this hybrid pinch another whirl. And to be honest, everything just got a lot smoother. So yeah, drop a comment below. Tell us what you think. Is me flying better? Well, it's not better, but does it look smoother? Let us know what you think about it, guys. But it looks like Dan's just appeared, so we'll catch you in a bit. Well, we're at the spot. It's the old juvenile prison. You can probably see it behind us there. And yeah, it looks canny. There's a few little different types of feature going on. There's Dan there, look. Aye. See what can. Well, as you've just seen, I managed to get it stuck in a tree. Class.